Hey guys, today on Taste Test, we are gonna get dangerously cheesy.
And we're tasting Cheetos, which I'm really super excited about. Lazo, do you like Cheetos?
I do. I'm more of a crunchy boy.
I haven't had a Cheeto in a long time. I think I've only had original Cheetos and the really puffy ones.
The other thing that I wanna admit, just between us, is I don't ever think I've had a Flaming Hot Cheeto. And I feel like that's committing some sort of social crime. Please comment below if we're crazy that we've never had a Flaming Hot Cheeto.
Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Are we gonna start eating these yet or what?
All right, guys, we're gonna get into the classic Cheetos Crunchy. I think this was a staple of the 3rd grade for a lot of us.
Look at these are huge.
Well, do you see how much they vary? It's coming back to me now. Do you prefer the bigger ones or the sort of shoestring?
I like a club-shaped Cheeto. Those are good. Cheetos are good.
There's a Cheeto.
That's what I remember.
It's home.
Do you remember what they said? They always called it the cheese that goes crunch. Chester Cheeto used to be like the cheese that goes crunch.
You know, you're getting that classic crunch. You're getting that smooth, artificial cheese flavor. I could eat this whole bowl.
Yeah.
Can we get? I wish we had a graphic where all these just went
With flames?
with flames. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
It is creeper.
Uh-oh. He's a couple seconds ahead of me, I'm nervous.
Wait.
Yeah, I wouldn't choose this. I'm sorry. I feel like the internet's gonna be very angry about that, but I don't like spicy.
People stan Flamin' Hot. Am I allowed to say that? Am I too old to say that?
I'm not super into it either.
People are, but I'm just saying from like a social perspective, people are really into the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Like they go nuts for them.
I get it. I'm more of a cheesy person. These are not dangerously cheesy.
This is a different kind of danger.
All right, guys, Cheetos Puffs. This is a staple in my family.
This is my jam.
This is like the old school cheese puff.
Yeah.
Wasn't there a thing? I'm so sorry, because there aren't that many, and I'm sorry to hog them. But did you ever do one of these?
Did you ever do one of these?
Oh yeah. It's
Did
classic.
you do a walrus?
I know I'm gonna have more than one.
All right.
It gets everywhere.
It's all over your face now.
Light, airy, tastes like 3rd grade again, but better.
Baked crunchy cheese, which look like regular Cheetos Crunchy in disguise.
I'm feeling good about baked.
They feel different.
Lighter.
Whoa!
Tastes a little different than the regular because it's baked. I feel healthier though.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, they're like Mondo Crunchy.
Yeah.
So I like these enough.
There's something about the original that is important. The integrity of the original Cheeto. This is not.
This tastes like actual, I don't want to say cheese, but it tastes like a cheese.
But this is a very interesting other option.
If this was all there was, I'd eat it.
Baked Flamin' Hot. Again with the health food.
I like these baked Flaming Hot better than the original Flaming Hot. This one I find to be a little bit lighter on the spice.
It's almost got like
It's like sour.
Crunchy cheddar jalapeno.
Do you think this is gonna be spicier or less spicy than our Flamin' Hot situations?
I don't know.
I told you I don't like spices too much, so I'm
You think it's gonna be really spicy?
well, it has jalapeno in the name.
I like it.
For me, this tastes a little bit too much like food.
Yeah, it's too spicy for me to eat the whole bag. See, that's really where my threshold is.
This tastes like a jalapeno chip to me.
Oh,
Just
that's
like
interesting.
Any kind of jalapeno chip.
If jalapenos are your thing, strongly recommend. I'm excited for a couple reasons. 1, I didn't know these were a thing. 2, they're looking a lot like my OG puffs over here. And 3, white cheddar is really great. Oh, I'm gonna add a 4th. They're also smaller, which means I can eat more at one time.
This one, you said before it looks like packing peanuts.
These a little bit look like.
It really does.
These look like tater tots.
I love that.
Oh, I'm feeling these. These are dope. These are great.
They're too hard to grab. You're not gonna be able to like.
That's why you go like this.
So we saw, we conquered all the Cheetos. What were your favorites?
I actually weirdly liked the baked more than I thought I would like.
These are all great.
These are good.
I would not turn down a handful of any of these.
I think like getting into the baked makes me feel better about eating a Cheeto, honestly. That's not to say it's my first choice. I gotta stay strong. I'm committed. The puffs.
I would always kind of be like, the puffs are kind of like too old school or too passe. But when I was eating them, I was kind of like, I don't want to stop this. To me, they're the cheesiest. And they kind of like are the most satisfying.
Okay guys, so we didn't actually taste every kind of Cheeto that there is today. If you have a favorite that we didn't taste, tell us in the comments down below and maybe we'll taste it on another taste test. See you later. Bye.